Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set A Round of Hellos. I'm going to be using the Thank You sentiment. So this is a piece of Florals in Bloom pattern paper or specialty designer series paper. I think is it specialty if it has a sticker sheet? No. Anyway, it is sized 3 3/4 by 5. And what I'm doing is I'm putting the top right corner and the bottom left corner in my cutting track and then slicing it through. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing here, making sure that I'm keeping the paper properly together. And I'm putting my trimmer arm down there and I'm cutting like diagonally through that piece. I'm going to do it one more time, but I'm going to show you, look at the pattern, how well it matches for our card design today. So this is a Monday card. It's a simple card. You can do this at home. One little trick that I found really handy is if I put my my cutting blade directly on the middle part of my paper and kind of stab it, then you will be able to sort of slice through top and bottom of that card. Instead, I don't know, sometimes if you start at the top corner, you can bend the corner or you can push the paper around. So I'm hoping that this helps you. Now I'm going to do two different ways. I put wet glue on here, and then I also have a piece of cardstock that is basic white, and it is 4 by 5 1/4, so just a little bit bigger. I'm leaving a gap here so that it really looks like there's a border between them. And pretty simple card design, honestly, but wow, what a wow. So I'm going to put that aside. I'm using wet glue so that I can wiggle everything into place. It doesn't stick down straight away. So, and I'll do the same here. So you basically flip over all the triangles, and then are they triangles? Yes, I guess they are triangles. They're not isosceles. They're proper triangles. My friend would be able to tell me what angle they are, but like literally I don't care, because as soon as he starts talking about math and stuff, I like zone out and I think of colors and stuff. Anyway, so you can see what I'm doing here. It's puzzle piecing, super easy. You could swap out the top and bottom with another paper out of the same pack or something different. I don't know. I had a little bit of fun with this, depending on the orientation of the paper. And I'll show you a couple more examples too, but I wanted to show you how to just create this. So again, the paper is called Florals in Bloom. Now, I used the Stylish Shapes dies for the basic white circles here. I think it was third from the inside, and I used a whole bunch of different colors. So I went with the card bases that I will have on the card. So one is a summer splash, and then we have cloud cover, and then we have peach pie, and then summer splash again. And those are my inks as well. Or the first one was Secret Sea, sorry, and then cloud cover, peach pie, and then summer splash. So as you can see, Secret Sea really played a big part in that card, where this next card here is cloud cover, and I chose because of the lines there. Those were fun. Flowers and stripes. Oh yeah, oh my. So I'm adhering the stitched circle to the coordinating cardstock, and that was punched out with a 2-inch circle punch, or what's it called, 5.1 centimeter. dimensionals on the back. And now all I have to do is plunk the greeting in the center. And then, of course, this one has a peach pie classic Stampin' pad, or sorry, cardstock. And then the other one is Summer Splash. Anyway, you guys, all of these products are available right now. As a matter of fact, I have a funny feeling. Let me see. Are in colors. So Summer Splash and Peach Pie, Pretty in Pink and Shy Shamrock and Petunia Pop, these are our 2024 to 2026 in colors, are going to be retiring soon. So if you like these colors, I would suggest getting the inks, getting the ink re-inkers so that you can enjoy them for years to come. Moving on with the embellishment, my favorite part, we are using the 2025 to 2027 in color flat pearls because they're similar. There's Secret Sea, Cloud Cover, and then this is Timid Tiger, which is kind of just a slight bit darker than Peach Pie. And then I went with sort of that Secret Sea dot with this one. All right, you guys. So anyway, I'm tripping over myself with my words. I'll leave the links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. I want to thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below. And I will be back on Wednesday. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.